Hello children, today we are going to learn exercise 1.1 fourth sum. Show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 4m, 4m plus 1 or 4m plus 3. In textbook they gave 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. You do this sum and try to solve the textbook sum. For this you have to take one positive integer, no? So let us take, let a be any positive integer. We have to take a as any positive integer. What we will use for this sum? We will use Euclid's algorithm. Is it right? By Euclid's algorithm, a equal to b cube plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. What is the value of b here? Already I told in before sum. This one we take as b cube plus r, b cube plus r, b cube plus r. So what is the value of b here? 4. Here b equal to 4. Then what is the value of r? 0, because remainder always starts from 0. 0 less than or equal to, that means r value is 0. Starts from 0 and less than b. Less than b means b value 4. Up to less than b we have to take. Up to less than 4. That means up to 3 we have to take. We should not take 4. Now here we have 4 numbers. So we have to solve 4 cases. Case 1. Suppose if you got the answer in 3 cases, you can leave there. If r equal to 0. What is Euclid's algorithm? A equal to b cube plus r. A equal to 4 cube plus 0. A equal to 4 cube. They told cube of any positive integer. Here a is the positive integer. Cube of any positive integer means we have to do cubing on both sides. Why? If you do cube on this side, compulsory this side also we have to do. Whatever we are doing in LHS, same thing we have to do in RHS. So a cube equal to 4q whole cube. A cube equal to, we can write this one as 4 into 4 into 4 q cube. Why? Because cube is for both 4 and q. That means for 4 also we have to write 3 times. Q also we have to write 3 times. So a cube equal to, only you take 4. Remaining part 16 q cube you take as, write in the bracket. Why? We have to show 4m, 4m plus 1, 4m plus 3. So 4 we have to take common. So we have to write 4m. What is the value of m here? Where m equal to 16 q cube. Did you understand? So we got 4m. Yes, we need 4m. Still we need 4m plus 1, 4m plus 3. Let's go to next case. What is the next case? Case 2. What is case 2? If r equal to 1. You take r equal to 1. A equal to b cube plus r. A equal to b value 4 now, 4 cube plus 1. We have to do cubing on both sides. Why? Because they told in the question, what they told in the question? Cube. So that the cube of any positive integer is of the form. So a cube equal to 4 cube plus 1 whole cube. Here this is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Do you know the formula of a plus b whole cube? Already we learned in 9th class. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Is it right? So we have to, this is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So apply the formula. A cube equal to a cube. Here a value how much? 4 cube. 4 cube whole cube plus 3 into a square. A value 4 cube. 4 cube whole square into b 1. 3 into a into b square. A value 4 cube. B value 1. B square plus 1 cube. We can write this one as 4 into q cube. 3 into 4q into 4q. Why? Here 4q square. 4q we have to write 2 times. Into 1 plus 3 into 4q into 1 plus 1. Here how many terms we have, you see. Here how many terms we have? This is one term, this is one term, this is one term, this is one term. We have 4 terms. So in these 4 terms we have to take 4 common. Here 4 will come common, here 4 will come common, here 4 will come common, but here it won't come because here only 1 is there. So leave 1 like that, and in these 3 you take 4 common. If you take 1 4 common, 1 4 you take out. Still how many are there? 2 4s. 4 4s 16 q cube. Plus here you take 1 4 common. Still what is there? 3 is there, 4 is there, 1 is there. Multiply. 3 4s 12. 12 1s 12. Q into q, q square. Here if you take 4 common, what is there? 3 into 1 3. 1 q is there. Here 4 won't come common now, so you have to close the bracket and you write 1. This one full you have to take as m because this is the multiple of 4. What is the value of m here? Where m equal to 16q cube plus 12q square plus 3q. So now we got 4m also. Now let's go to third case. Still what we needed? 4m completed, 4m plus 1 completed. Here we got 4m plus 1. Here we got 4m. Now we have to get still 4m plus 3. If you get, then only we have to leave the process. Otherwise, you have to solve all the cases. Let's go to next case. What is the next case? Case 3. In case 3, what we have to take? If r equal to 1. 1 completed now. If r equal to 2. A equal to bq plus r. What is the value of b? 4. 4q plus 2. What we have to do now? Cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. A cube equal to 4q plus 2 whole cube. It is in the form of a plus b whole cube. What is the value of a plus b whole cube? A cube. A value 4q now. Plus 3 into a square. 4q whole square into b. 3 into a square b plus 3 into ab square. A value 4q into b value 2 plus b cube. A cube equal to, how can we write this one? 4q into 4q into 4q plus 3 into 4q into 4q into 2 because 4q whole square no, plus 3 into 4q into 4 plus 8. A cube equal to, now we have to take again 4 common. Okay. If you take 4 common, what is there here? Take 4 common. If you take 1 4 common, still 2 4s are there. 4 4s 16 q cube. Next here if you take 4 common, 3 4s 12, 12 2s 24. Q into q, q square. Here if you take 4 common, 3 4s 12q. Here also you will get 4 common. Why? 8 can be written as 4 into 2. If you take here 4 common, still 2 is left. Now we can write this one as a cube equal to 4m, where m equal to 16q cube plus 24q square plus 12q plus 2. Again we got 4m only, but still we need 4m plus 3. We did not get 4m plus 3. Still we have one case now. So solve that case. What is that case? Case 4. If r equal to 3. A equal to bq plus r. A equal to 4q plus 3. Again cubing on both sides. A cube equal to 4q plus 3 whole cube. A cube equal to a plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3 into a into b square plus b cube. A square plus 3a square, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So here again we have to expand this. We can write this one as 4q into 4q plus 3 into 4q into 4q into 3 plus 3 into 4q into 9 plus 3 cube means what? 27. 27 can be written as 24 plus 3. Can we write? Actually 27 we have to write as multiple of 4. We can't write multiple of 4. What is the nearest multiple of 4 for 27? 24. So we can write 24 plus 3. Okay. Here we have to take 4 common. If you take 4 common, 4 common, 4 4s are 16, q cube. Here you take 4 common, 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, q square. Here if you take 4 common, 3 9s are 27 q plus here 24 can be written as 4 into 6. If you take 4 common, plus 6. Here plain plus 3 is there. Here 4 won't come common. Write close the bracket, and here plus 3 is there. No, that one you write like that. So we can write this one as 4m plus 3, where m equal to what we took, 16q cube plus 36q square plus 27q plus 6. So what do you understand? 4m plus 3 also we got. So the cube of any positive integer is of the form 4m we got, 4m plus 1 we got, 4m plus 3 we got. So from case 1, 2, 3 and 4 what we understood? Therefore cube of, from all the cases we have understood, cube of any positive integer is of the form, cube of any positive integer is of the form 4m, 4m plus 1 or 4m plus 3. Okay children, now you try textbook sum. Okay, thank you.